everybody, it's Lexi again with the Clinton Conservation District, and we're going to take a moment now to talk about a couple invasive species that we've come across. First one I'd like to mention is right here. This is called Dame's Rocket. It's oftentimes confused with phlox, which is a native wildflower in Pennsylvania. Same coloration, same look of the petals, but the main difference between the two is Dame's Rocket has 4 petals and phlox has 5. Another plant that we've come across here is Multiflora Rose. I'm sure many of you guys have stumbled upon this one before. It has thorns, it often grows heavily in the woods, and an interesting fact about Multiflora Rose and how it came to Pennsylvania, it was actually used as a natural fence barrier to keep cattle in, and it did its job, but it also spread all over the state. And so now, like I said, we find it around here. One of those ones that's kind of hard to control as well. Last invasive species we stumbled upon is Barbary. It's this species right here, and it's pretty easily identified by the leaf shape. It kind of has this spoon-shaped leaf. And so if you happen to run into any of these species we just talked about, the district has an invasive species webpage where you can report the location, and if you're able to identify what you found. Oftentimes invasive species can be difficult to manage and control. It's not always as simple as just ripping them out of the ground. So if you do stumble upon some, before you take any type of control measures, feel free to call the district and we can give you some guidance.